The DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious and unconventional drones DJI has ever developed, and the latest leaks suggest that it could mark a major turning point for both FPV and 360-degree aerial filmmaking. Unlike previous releases that focused on incremental upgrades, this drone appears to represent a deeper shift in how DJI envisions creative flight. Recent leaked images have revealed far more than just the physical appearance of the drone. They hint at a carefully planned fusion of two previously separate categories: immersive 360-degree capture and high-speed FPV performance. Combined with newly surfaced pricing details, these leaks give us the clearest picture yet of how the Avata 360 may fit into DJI's future lineup and how seriously the company is taking this emerging category. Shared by well-known leaker Igor Bogdanov through Quadro News, the leaked images appear highly credible and professionally sourced. The first image shows the Avata 360 powered on and connected to a DJI RC controller that closely resembles the DJI RC2. On the controller screen, a live video feed is visible, confirming that the drone is fully operational and actively transmitting data. This detail is important because it suggests that the drone is already in an advanced testing phase rather than being an early prototype. We are not looking at a rough concept or unfinished design. Instead, this looks like a near-final product being evaluated under real-world conditions, which strengthens the reliability of the surrounding leaks. From a design perspective, the Avata 360 follows a Sinuhoop-style layout with a gray frame and fully enclosed spherical propeller guards. This design strongly suggests a focus on safe, controlled flight in tight spaces, especially indoors or near people and obstacles. Much like previous Avata models, the protective structure allows pilots to fly with confidence in environments where traditional open-prop drones would be risky. However, this version appears more refined, with smoother lines and a more compact profile. The enclosed design also improves aerodynamics and stability, making it suitable for cinematic shots in confined locations such as hallways, warehouses, or urban interiors. Visible DJI branding and labeling on the drone point toward an upgraded transmission system, most likely DJI's O4 technology. If confirmed, this would bring significant improvements in range, latency, and signal stability. O4 has already proven itself in other DJI products, and its inclusion here would make the Avata 360 far more reliable for long-distance and high-speed flights. Stable transmission is especially important for FPV flying, where even small signal drops can cause serious problems. For creators who depend on smooth, uninterrupted video feeds, this upgrade alone could be a major selling point. The most intriguing detail in the leaked image, however, is the camera module. The drone features a tiltable camera system in which one lens can face directly forward. This is a crucial clue about DJI's intentions. Rather than building a dedicated 360-degree drone that sacrifices traditional FPV functionality, DJI appears to be combining both approaches into a single platform. In simple terms, the Avata 360 may be capable of switching between immersive 360 capture and classic forward-facing FPV flight. This hybrid concept is something the drone industry has not fully explored before, and it could dramatically expand what creators can achieve with one device. The second leaked image shows what looks like a freshly unboxed retail kit. It includes the drone, multiple batteries, and a charging hub, giving us a realistic preview of what consumers may receive at launch. This suggests that DJI is preparing multiple bundles, likely including a standard version and a Fly More combo. These bundles are designed to appeal to different types of users, from casual creators who want basic functionality to professionals who need extended flight time and extra accessories. In 360-degree mode, both lenses are positioned to face upward and downward, allowing the drone to capture the entire surrounding environment. This configuration enables the so-called invisible drone effect, where the aircraft disappears from the final footage. In FPV mode, the gimbal rotates approximately 90 degrees, revealing a single forward-facing lens optimized for fast, agile flight. This dual-mode system could be one of the Avata 360's most defining features, allowing users to switch between immersive storytelling and adrenaline-driven FPV footage without changing equipment. Technologically, the drone is expected to be extremely powerful. Each lens is rumored to offer a 180-degree field of view with 4K resolution. When stitched together using AI-based processing, this could produce full 8K 360-degree footage. For action sports, travel filmmaking, and cinematic POV shots, this level of detail would represent a massive leap forward. In FPV mode, the drone may deliver 5K video at 60 frames per second and capture 30-megapixel photos. Meanwhile, the full 360 system could support panoramic stills up to 120 megapixels. These numbers place the Avata 360 firmly in the high-end category, even by professional standards. Handling such large amounts of data requires serious hardware support, and DJI appears to be preparing for that. Reports suggest that internal storage will be increased to 128 GB, with additional microSD card support. This combination gives users both speed and flexibility. Fast internal storage is ideal for high bitrate recording, while expandable storage ensures that long shoots are not limited by memory constraints. The drone is also expected to use the new O4 Plus transmission system, pushing its range up to 20 kilometers under optimal conditions. Flight time may increase slightly to around 25 minutes, which is impressive considering the processing demands of 360 capture. The first known leak of the Avata 360 appeared in May, showing a blurry prototype being tested outdoors. Although unclear at first, enhanced versions revealed significant design changes compared to the Avata 2. The drone appeared thinner and longer, with a lower-profile top section that sat almost level with the rotors. This design choice likely helps prevent the drone's body from appearing in 360 footage. The elongated rear section seems designed to balance the slimmer front, improving stability during flight. Its light gray color matches DJI's recent aesthetic direction, giving it a modern and consistent look. Interestingly, that early leak did not show any obvious top-mounted 360 lens, leading many to believe that DJI was intentionally hiding the drone's main feature during testing. This theory gained traction when, in August, a new competitor called the Antigravity 360 drone was announced, claiming to be the world's first true 360-degree drone with a planned launch in January 2026. This announcement sparked intense speculation. Would DJI really allow another company to dominate a category that aligns perfectly with its strengths? About a month later, new leaks revealed a small bump on top of the Avata 360, which many believe houses the previously hidden 360-degree lens. This discovery reinforced the idea that DJI had been carefully controlling information during development. It also suggested that the company was waiting to reveal its full capabilities at the right moment, possibly in response to growing competition. Pricing leaks indicate that China will receive the most competitive pricing, with international markets paying a premium. In China, the drone alone is expected to cost around $426, while a Fly More combo could reach approximately $811. In the United States, estimates range from about $489 for the base model to nearly $999 for the full bundle. DJI Care is expected to cost around $57, and FCC pre-approval suggests that U.S. availability is likely despite ongoing regulatory concerns. According to current information, the Avata 360 is expected to launch in the first quarter of 2026. If these leaks prove accurate, the Avata 360 could become one of DJI's most versatile and talked-about drones in years. It represents an attempt to unify two different creative philosophies into a single product, offering both freedom and control. This makes it especially relevant at a time when creators are seeking tools that simplify production without sacrificing quality. Meanwhile, another drone has already captured global attention, the Antigravity one. Every once in a while, a product appears that instantly dominates social media because people cannot believe what they are seeing. That is exactly what happened with the one. Its footage sparked widespread disbelief and excitement, with viewers repeatedly asking how such visuals were even possible. For the first time in years, the most talked-about drone online did not come from DJI. The One is essentially a flying 8K 360-degree camera. Rather than prioritizing piloting precision, it focuses entirely on immersive capture. Pilots do not need to worry about framing or camera angles. They simply fly, and everything is recorded. During editing, they can choose any perspective they want, whether forward, backward, downward, sideways, or even toward themselves. This workflow eliminates missed moments and reduces stress, which is why many creators describe it as a cheat code. The emotional appeal of the One is just as important as its technical specifications. Users often describe the experience as liberating, more like exploring than operating a machine. Beginners appreciate its stability and automatic corrections, while experienced FPV pilots are amazed that it can deliver FPV-style visuals without complex manual controls. Travel vloggers love that a single flight provides both horizontal and vertical content, perfectly suited for modern social media platforms. Online reactions reflect genuine surprise that such a small drone can produce footage that feels so fresh and different. It seems to represent a shift toward presence rather than precision. The One does not replace traditional drones. Instead, it opens a new creative door, particularly for capturing spontaneous moments such as cycling, pets, or fast-moving action. DJI is clearly paying attention. Leaks already confirm that the Avata 360 is in development, signaling how seriously the company views this new category. Interestingly, the two drones represent opposite philosophies. The One is essentially a 360 camera that happens to fly, while the Avata 360 appears to be an FPV drone that adds 360 capability. This difference affects the user experience. The One feels calmer, smoother, and more automated, while DJI's version is likely to be faster, more responsive, and more customizable. The One also features clever design elements, such as retractable landing gear, that keeps the camera's view unobstructed. However, it is not perfect. Battery life is average, and processing 8K 360 footage requires powerful computers. Stitching can produce minor imperfections, especially around water, trees, or close objects. Users who want flawless cinematic results straight out of the camera may still prefer DJI's ecosystem. Despite these limitations, it is hard to deny that the One represents a generational shift in drone filmmaking. It prioritizes creativity over control and accessibility over technical mastery. For creators who value freedom, travelers who want all angles, and beginners who want stunning footage without stress, it is almost unbeatable. With DJI preparing its response, competition in this space is about to intensify. If the Avata 360 can match the One's creative freedom while delivering DJI's legendary stability and ecosystem support, the drone landscape could change rapidly. For now, the Antigravity One stands as one of the most exciting drone releases in recent memory, challenging traditional ideas about what drones should be. Ultimately, choosing between these two platforms depends on personal style. If you value creative freedom, minimal stress, and post-flight flexibility, the One is an excellent choice. If you prefer speed, control, and classic FPV energy, waiting for the Avata 360 may be wiser. Both represent different visions of the future. In conclusion, the DJI Avata 360 and the Antigravity One each push the boundaries of immersive aerial creativity. The Avata 360 emphasizes integration, performance, and reliability within a polished ecosystem. The One focuses on innovation, accessibility, and emotional connection. Whether you prioritize seamless support or cutting-edge experimentation, both drones promise to inspire exploration and elevate perspectives, making this an exciting era for aerial creators around the world.